Here's how to create a custom AI agent using Stammer AI in about 60 seconds or less. After I log into my Stammer AI dashboard, I'm going to create a new AI agent, going to give it a name. I'm going to customize my prompt slightly for my business, Stammer AI. I'm going to select my AI LLM model, GPT-4o. Then I'm going to show data sources, which is going to be able to show the links of the information of where it gets the answers. Now I'm going to scrape the website. And all the information from this link will be added to this AI agent's knowledge base. And once it finishes up here, I can select it and train the chatbot on all of this information. And we're done. Now I can ask it a custom question based on any of that information, like how much does Stammer cost? And there we go. Gives us the right information, and it will include the link of where it got that answer, which is the website. And that's how you create a custom AI agent using Stammer AI in about 60 seconds.